All right, guys, welcome back, and we are back in this Lattafa sampler, and today we are working with, I almost lost my little sample stick there. This is Tharwa, which means wealth in Arabic. It looks like that. The big bottle looks different. Obviously, these are all 20 ml bottles. It's a great way to sample out, get 100 ml of fragrance, split over 5 bottles, and you can try a bunch of different Lattafa from their Lattafa Pride line. This one is designed for women. I'll go ahead and give you those notes real fast, just so I'm not wasting your time, and I can get the video started up. It opens up with lavender, bergamot, the orange blossom, then Egyptian jasmine in the mid, then vanilla, amber, and vetiver in the base. So a fairly mass appealing profile there, which makes sense because apparently this is some kind of twist on the YSL Libra line, or at least that's what it's accused of being. So let's go ahead and do the whole process for this channel. I spray on paper, then I spray on skin. The reason why I do both is because paper is a good analog for clothing sprayers. So if you wear fragrances and tend to spray all over your body or spray on your clothing in particular, that's a good analog. So typically skin obviously projects more. That's why we use pulse points in places where body heat tends to gather, because you want the fragrance to project pretty heavily. Same thing with paper, but the opposite. We spray on clothing because we're not looking for the projection. We're looking more for things like longevity and how it might, be different on clothing versus on skin with your pH and chemical stuff going on, which we can't really assess. The paper's kind of like a nice little even keel, unbiased way to look to note a fragrance. But then once I do that, I will blip out of existence. Then I'll come back in after having worn this, or my wife wearing this a few times, and I'll give you things like the note breakdown over time, how they present, what projects the most, and things like longevity. So without further ado, let's do the sprays. I do 4 sprays with these small bottles because that's kind of what ends up being 2 sprays. So it's like 2 sprays for every 1 spray of the full size. So here we go. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see how this smells. Let's see, does it push heavy? Oh yeah, you can smell it. Okay. It's not a super heavy fragrance, I'll say that. In fact, I'll do one more spray just in case I'm doing something wrong here, in case I missed. There we go. Very lavender forward. When I see bergamot, sometimes I'm like, is that going to be like a bubblegummy sweet bergamot, or is this going to be like a light bergamot? The bergamot in this is a light touch based on the paper. I'm doing the paper right now, so it's right here. Definitely lavender forward, more floral, and maybe I'm getting a touch of the vanilla already. All right, if you saw a jump cut there, it's because my wife walked in and I wanted to stop recording to avoid making noises in the background, because we're doing laundry. All right, so let's go. All right, so essentially it's a very clean, fresh floral is what I'm getting from this for the most part. It's not a heavy vanilla. If the vanilla's in there, it's light at this point. It might dry down to something heavier. But let's go ahead and do skin. We're gonna do 4 sprays, because normally I do 2 sprays on my wrist, and we're again, math here based on this 20 ml size. All right. Now, that being said, as far as projection goes, when my wife walked in, she was about maybe 15, 20 feet away. And I said, come smell this while I got the video paused. And she says, is that what I'm smelling over here? And I was like, maybe, but that's 20 feet away and I haven't moved. And then she comes over and she smells the little swatch on paper and she goes, yep, that's the smell. So it projects. So it's a heavy projector, at least in those first opening salvos. So maybe be careful going to work and spraying this on right before you walk in the door, because it might push people out of the room. But it smells very nice, so probably not. All right, so put the paper down. I'll put it there just so you know I've been using it. And let's go ahead and smell the wrist. Way more citrus on wrist. Okay. On skin, the citrus comes out much stronger. It's much more apparent. It's not, again, here's how I'll say it, how it is. On paper, it's lavender dominant with florals. On skin, the lavender and the bergamot are fighting. Like they're kind of even keel with each other. That makes it a lot more pleasant to me on skin. It's a little air freshener to me on paper, which is not in a bad way. It's just not my vibe, not what I want to smell. It's a little more mature. It's a little more youthful when it's on skin, because that bergamot kind of cuts into all those aromatics and florals. Yeah, that's a nice, easy fragrance to wear. I will be right back. I'll blip out of existence, then I'll come back and talk to you about all the fun things I mentioned earlier. For you, it's going to be a split second. For me, it's going to be a couple days of wearing it and kind of assessing it and learning more about the fragrance as time goes on, and getting my wife's opinion on it over time. So be right back. All right, we're back. Let's see if I can do this follow-up second part of this video before my battery runs out. All right, so Tharwa Gold from Lattafa, part of this gift set right here. It's a good fragrance. Here's the thing about it. When you smell it, it opens up. There's something fruity in there beyond just the bergamot. There's something in there that's like got like a grape kind of vibe to it, but that tamps down pretty quickly. After about 30 minutes, you get this very nice, warm vanilla, and that's the best way I can describe it. It doesn't smell like a winter fragrance. It just kind of makes you smell, it feels like you're smelling something that's warm. That's the best way to describe it. Like sometimes you get like these really fruity fragrances that almost smell like it's cold, like it has like an ice smell to it. It's like that, but warmth. As it dries down, it becomes more floral vanilla, and you get the ambery note. That amber combined with the vanilla might be what I'm describing as warmth just in general, but it's very nice. Longevity-wise, it's gonna last you at least 6 hours. You're gonna project for at least 3. You'll probably do better than that if you overspray, and this is one of those fragrances that you can overspray, in my opinion, pretty safely, unless you're going into a situation where you're like in a cubicle or like in an enclosed space with a lot of people, depending on your office situation. That being said, let's talk about usage cases here. This is, in my opinion, a distinctly feminine fragrance. Obviously, it's a perfume, it's marketed towards women, but it's also perfect for someone who is, let's say, not trying to smell like a girly girl. So it's not like a teeny bopper kind of fragrance. It's more like, hey, this is a professional woman's fragrance. This is a extremely professional, office-safe fragrance for any woman 20 to age 50. Like it's very versatile in that respect. So that's kind of my use case, my vibe, for lack of a better term, of what this fragrance is most like designed for. It's not, again, it's not girly girl. I would say it's not even like a fun fragrance. It's just, hey, you're going to smell professional, you're going to smell clean, you're going to smell inviting and pleasant, but also quintessentially feminine. So that's what you're getting out of this. So it's a very safe, feminine office fragrance. That's kind of what I look at it as. It's not fruit dominant. It's not going to be like super powdery. It's just a nice, warm floral vanilla with a lavender opening with some bergamot in there. So I would not even say it's fruit dominant. I think that bergamot and fruits in there just in the open to give it like a burst of freshness on first spray. But after about 10 to 15 minutes, that's mostly gone, and you're left with a lot of nice warm floral vanilla vibes. That's what you end up with. But yeah, that is Tharwa Gold from Lattafa, part of this whole Lattafa gift set right here. If you want to look at a link, I have it linked down there somewhere. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any more questions about the review or about the fragrance and stuff, leave it in the comments section, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks. See you in the next one.